Go ahead.
Whoa.
That's cool, huh?
Yeah, it's a gold one.
That's your favorite color too, right?
Yeah, but it has a little bit of green in it. Look.
Oh, cool.
Green speckles. What else is in here?
What else do you have?
Whoa, I have this big glass one with flowers on it.
You got one of those before, remember?
Yeah, this one is a big flower.
It has a woman on there too. It has a fairy.
Yeah, I know. I see it. Is that Mary?
No, it's not Mary. It's a fairy. It could be Mary.
What's this?
That's the shampoo bar. You know how you go swimming all the time? No, you can't eat it.
It looks delicious, like candy.
We got to wash your hair with it.
It's a skull, a skeleton.
Smell it, because I think you can smell it on the back. On the back.
It smells good.
What does it smell like?
It smells like cherry.
It smells like cherry. I thought it smelled like grape.
No, it smells like blueberry.
Oh, blueberry. Okay.
Yes. And
What
here's
else do you
the
have?
last.
No, there's there's a lot of stuff in there.
There's the last two.
Where?
Oh, these.
That's cool.
Well, not only, because look at this. They made this.
That's a body cream. It's a body butter. No, you can't eat it.
Oh, are these chocolate eggs?
No, those are no. You can't eat the eggs.
I thought these were chocolate.
No. So you like your present? You like your gift?
Yeah. How about the yellow one is chocolate?
No, none of it is chocolate. Stop, Selah.
Wait, I'm gonna smell it.
It doesn't smell like anything.
No, it does. This smells like blueberry.
Let me see. No, it doesn't, girl.
Yeah, I tricked you.
Okay, well, what do you want to say to Nicole and Wayne for giving you all these beautiful bath bombs?
Let me bring something over first before I say it.
Okay. Look at all her toys. You see all these toys? These are birthday toys.
Well, look at this slime.
So that's what you want to say to them? Slime?
I said, look at you.
What do you want to say to Nicole and Wayne?
Thank you for my birthday present.
And which one are you going to use first? Put the slime away, girl. We're over here talking about Sin City soaps and candles. Which one are you going to use first?
The best one I would like to use. Dun, 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 dun.
Well, your dad tried to take that one, huh? Can I have this one?
Yeah, you can have it.
I want this one. I love the skull.
Oh, chocolate egg! Green chocolate egg.
That's not a stop. Don't put that in your mouth.
It's yum.
Okay, I think that this has got to, we're done now. Thank you so much, Nicole and Wayne, for all of your beautiful bath bombs. She cannot wait to use them. And you had a great birthday, right? Right?
Yes.
Okay. Say bye.
Bye.